So here we have this Camdios glass cutter. Now this thing works really well, so let me give you a closer look at it. It comes in this plastic case with a foam cutout for all the parts. There's also this instruction manual that does a great job at showing you how to use it. It comes with a small screwdriver, a dropper for cutting oil, 3 different blade attachments for cutting different thicknesses of glass, and then of course the tool itself. It's made of a solid piece of metal, has some decent weight to it. It also has knurling on it, so it's really grippy when you're trying to cut stuff. On the back is this little knob that you can unscrew, and then you can see the handle here is actually hollow, and that's because you're supposed to fill this up with cutting oil. So yeah, let's cut some glass. And in my case, it's actually going to be this broken mirror here. I'm just going to cut it on the back side so I don't have to deal with reflections. I want to cut this edge off here to make it more square. Just got to grab a straight edge and lay it on there. And then if you have cutting oil, you're going to put some in the back here and then dip the front into the oil. But I don't, so I'm just going to use it without and see how well it works. I'm just going to score it once with this thing. You want to put a decent amount of pressure on so you hear this sort of cracking sound. Now let's take it, lay it over the edge of something, and see if it'll snap off. Wow, that was super easy. Got a nice clean cut on that, nice and straight, was super easy. The edge is a little bit sharp, but not sharp enough to cut me. If you are gonna leave the edges exposed though, I definitely recommend using sandpaper on them. Now I'm curious to see if it can do a curved cut, so let's try that now. Alright, so no surprise there, can't really do curved cuts, it's only for straight cuts. So yeah, this little glass cutter cuts really well. I like how it comes with this case, nothing fancy, but it works. I do wish it came with some actual cutting oil though, that would have been helpful. But yeah, I got this because I had a broken mirror I needed to cut down to size, and it worked great for that, so overall, I'm really happy with it.